Every user on Fusion can change the language that the system runs in to suit their own needs. Go to the main menu, choose Language, and click to change your main language. I've changed this one to Arabic. I can click Save Changes, and you can see that all the main navigation on the system is now in Arabic. I can now reset this to English by going in here and clicking on any one of these, which will reset back to English again, and I can choose a second language. And if I do this, so I now have Arabic as a second language, and what you have is the translation at the bottom of the page when you hover over words. And if I want to switch this off, I just click here and Save Changes.